My name is Sophie McBean. I'm from Cairns in far north Queensland in Australia. So I've been a tour guide in London, in Sydney, and in Vancouver. I've been a ghost walking tour guide in pouring rain, or a Christmas karaoke tour guide in the snow, or working for city tours and wandering around in the sunshine with a big umbrella to keep everybody in the shade. The first guiding I did was in London, and it was a Harry Potter walking tour guide. I was walking around London and telling these stories about magic, but the city itself kind of creeps in. So it ended up being very much like a London tour. When I first started guiding, I thought it was all about talking. And then I really learned that it's about listening and it's about being there in the moment with them. Then everything becomes organic. You're just having a conversation and things are real. And that's the experience that people take away. Then you have an experience where you just feel like you've made a friend in a new place. I love storytelling. It doesn't matter how many times I've told a story, I'm so excited to get to that moment where everyone goes, ah. The thing about being a tour guide is that no 2 days are the same. And that's it's so exciting. And you're always going to be meeting new people. It's like nothing else. You never really get that anywhere where you're completely living in the moment with people in front of you and telling stories that way. It's pretty unique that way. I finally figured out